What's the difference between a feline family and a cat family? This is a cat family. A feline family has Circle Zero, a self-cleaning, odor-containing, modern-looking vessel for your cat to shit, be a feline in. Motion detectors on the front, a sealed wastebasket in the back, a precision scooper that makes 2 passes within 5 millimeters of the walls. A feline family contains its litter and odor. A feline family can use any bag or litter they want. A feline family lets Circle Zero do all the work of maintaining a litter box while making sure their feline is safe. Circle Zero won't let your feline get scooped up. The motion detectors will pause the cycle immediately and restart 7 minutes later. It will even smooth the litter back out, giving your feline a beautiful surface to be a feline in. Circle Zero works with multiple cats and has scoops for multiple types of litters. It's the sophisticated, modern-looking, zero-effort option, and a feline family knows how healthy their feline is. Circle Zero comes with the Muggin' Loo, a window into your cat's feline cycles. Pre-order Circle Zero and turn your cat family into a feline family.